In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your card on Facebook Ads Manager. This process is essential to ensure that your payment method is both recognized and securely linked to your account, allowing you to effectively manage your campaigns without any interruptions. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type in Facebook Ads Manager and click on the search result that plainly says "Go to Facebook Ads Manager." This will take you directly to the Ads Manager platform where you can manage your ad campaigns. Once you're there, you'll likely land on the login page, so go ahead and enter your email and password associated with your Facebook account. Make sure your credentials are correct to avoid any unnecessary lockouts. After typing in your details, simply click on the Login button to proceed. With successful authentication, you will be directed to the Ads Manager dashboard. Here you'll find a variety of tools and options available, but for our purpose today, focus on navigating to the campaigns dashboard. This is your central hub for managing your ad campaigns. Next, look for the billing and payments option, which you can find in the navigation menu. It might take a moment, but once you spot it, click on it to access your payment settings. A detailed overview of all payments will be at your disposal here. Within the billing and payments section, click on payment settings. This will allow you to manage your payment options. If you've not yet added your card, this is where you'll want to do it. Find the add payment method button. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your card details. Ensure the information is accurate to facilitate smooth transactions. After adding a card, pay attention to any notifications that pop up. You might see a message indicating that your card needs verification. Don't worry, this is a standard security measure to protect your account. Click on the notification and then click verify. This will prompt you to enter a verification code which you should have received, usually via email or possibly through your bank. Input the correct code carefully to avoid any issues. Finally, once the verification code is entered, all that's left is to click on submit. With that, your card is successfully verified on Facebook Ads Manager. You're now equipped to fund your advertising campaigns confidently and securely. There you have it. In under 5 minutes, you've learned how to verify your card on Facebook Ads Manager, ensuring seamless ad campaign management. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.